Joanne Reese. I'm a member of Opal and the Bus Riders Unite. My husband uses the car to get to and from his work as a teacher. Our son and I are transit dependent. I am here to tell you why we support the campaign for fair transfer. Times are hard. Most of us are struggling. Gas and bus fare are expensive. People are having to choose which of the necessities they can cut. Will it be food? Will it be medical? Will it be transportation? With the increased bus fares, the mere 2-hour transfer, and cuts in service causing longer delays in connections when transferring, our family, like many others, has found ourselves in the position of having to consolidate errands to a much greater extent to maximize that round-trip ticket. It is also forcing us to sometimes forego participating in events or activities unless we have other bus trips scheduled during the day. Some of these activities are fun and low cost, like a trip to the park or to a library program, activities that provide some pleasure in difficult times. Other activities are more pressing, like a trip to the grocery store, a doctor's appointment, or volunteering at places where staff has been cut, and volunteers are urgently needed to help continue to provide the safety net for those in our community who are suffering. The high cost of public transportation impacts individuals and families, how they get to work, to school, to job interviews, to the grocery store, to doctor's appointments, to fun. It also impacts the businesses and cultural venues that people are patronizing and the volunteer work that they may be participating in. In difficult times, people have to very carefully factor in the cost of transportation when planning their day. Professor Errol Ozan states, "You cannot understand a city without using its public transportation system." TriMet has the power and the funds to reflect well in Portland as a green, livable city that affirms everyone's right to be able to affordably access their work, their school, their volunteer commitments, their grocery stores, their doctor appointments, and leisure time events and activities. These are basic human rights. Access to public transportation facilitates access to basic human rights for some of Portland's most financially stressed citizens, those who are most reliant on public transportation. Thank you for listening to me. I look forward to TriMet taking the next step to a more just transit system.